We have to listen to each other for change. When histories collide, we listen for change. And I always tell people this. They say start with the end in mind. I say no. We start with the next step we agree on. Together, we start with that in mind. Because sometimes the vision's too far. And you have people that can't see it. And if it's too technical, guess what? You're going to lose some of your employees. So you have to find a way that when histories collide, say, great, hey, we're having a historical collision right now. And it doesn't mean we hate each other. So now we have to know how to communicate with each other when our histories collide. So as opposed to having everything go right to the HR department, what makes it legal, let's create a third lane before it gets to HR. Let's teach our people how to have strategies to help get wrong thoughts out of your mind.